In today's recording, we will show you how to properly use the currency and exchange rate functionality of the Sylius platform and demonstrate how the changes made look on the store page. In the first step, select the Currencies tab. You will be redirected to the panel where all added currencies inside your organization are listed. Now, click the Create button to create a new currency. For this recording, we have chosen the currency of the French franc. Click the Create button to complete this step. Now you may notice that the newly created currency has appeared among the others in the dedicated panel. In the next step, go to the Channels tab and edit the channel. Then, in the Currencies tab, select the currencies you want to be visible on your store. In this case, they will be US dollars and French franc. Finally, confirm your changes with the Save Changes button. Click the Exchange Rates button and create a new exchange rate. Next, click the Create button. In the Source Currency tab, select the US dollar, one of the two currencies we chose, then select French franc in the Target Currency tab. The last step will be to enter the ratio and click the Create button. Now, present the changes you've made on the online store page. Next, click the View Your Store button next to the search bar. By changing the currencies in the upper left corner, you will see the changes in price and currency under the selected product.